What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play with friends in Arc Raiders. Now doing this is pretty easy, but first of all make sure that crossplay is turned on. With the help of crossplay, you'll be able to play with cross-platform friends. Like let's say you're on PlayStation, then you'll be able to play with Xbox and PC players. And to enable crossplay, go to settings, then under gameplay, make sure that crossplay is set to on. Now to invite our friends, we need to click on this friends icon and then we can select add friend and enter your friend's Embark ID here. If you don't know your friend's Embark ID, then ask for their Embark ID and they can find their Embark ID by right clicking their profile, and then they'll be able to find this Embark ID from here. They can just copy it and send it to you via WhatsApp or any other social platform. And once you have your friend's Embark ID, just select add friend, paste their Embark ID here and then select add friend, and the friend request will be sent to that player. Once they accept your friend request, they'll be added on your friends list. Like you can see, I have 3 friends here, 2 of them are offline. And to invite your friend onto your squad or lobby, then we just have to right click on them, but make sure that they are online and then select invite to party option, and then the invitation will be sent successfully. Once they accept your invitation, they'll appear on this side of the game and then you can join any of the game you want. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.